Welcome back. Welcome. Sorry, I just want to apologize for the first part of this repair of our Duraware subwoofer. You know, I was fixing the subwoofer. Actually, the issue was of sound IC, so I was trying to replace the sound IC, and the first mistake. I broke up some of the pins of the audio power amplifier, and I took time trying to modify, you know, building up the missing pins. There were about 3. And secondly, in the middle of recording, my camera just went off. I think it is due to high temperatures because it's quite hot this side. It gave me an error message of high temperatures, and suddenly it just went off before I finish up the repair. So I just want to apologize, but that's our subwoofer. It's already plugged. Let's power it on. I just put everything, all screws together. It's on. It's already on Bluetooth. You can hear the sound. Yeah, that's so nice, you know. I can't believe how nice is this speaker. The sound quality. The lights are just changing colors: red, orange, blue, green. That's quite classic, you know. So our subwoofer is now working fine. We now have sound. I'm happy, despite the fact that we did it the dodgy way. But the most important thing is our speaker is now working fine. I'm happy. Our customer will be happy also. We shall give him guarantee. Yeah, it's Friday, you know. I have to move on to the next job, but let's test one more time. Cause they know how to show you love, and no matter where I go, I gotta let them know that this song here is about you. Let's go! I done been around the world to places you would not believe. Singing down those beauty girls, I wish that you were there with me. The simple way you smile, girl, tells me all I need to know. You can be my one and only. Yeah, that's so fun, you know. The sound quality, I think I'll buy this in the future, you know. I'll ask the owner where he bought such kind of classic subwoofer. It's just a portable. So like, subscribe and follow our YouTube channel, BST African Electronic Surgery. See you on the next one. Bye.